Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. In this lab guide, we will see how to configure client-side targeting in WSUS. In client-side targeting, you use group policy objects to add computers to computer groups in WSUS. Right now, we are on a domain controller and we are going to create one OU for this lab guide. Let's click on Start button. Click on Windows Admin Tools. And let's double click on Active Directory Users and Computers. On Active Directory Users and Computer Console, I'm going to click on our domain name, which is mustbenoob.lab. Right click on it. Click on New and select OU. Let's give a name Workstation to this OU. Click on OK. And now let's click on Computers OU and select the computer account of our Windows 10 client computer. Let's right click on it and select Move. I'm going to store this computer account under this OU workstation. Click on OK. Let's click on Workstation OU and now we can verify that computer account of our Windows 10 PC is stored under this OU. Let's move to our WSUS server where we are going to create a new computer group for this workstation. On WSUS server, let's click on Start button. Click on Windows Admin Tools. And let's double click on Windows Server Update Services. Let's click on Computers. Click on All Computers. In the last lab guide, we have seen the steps for server-side targeting. To create a new computer group, let's right click on All Computers and select Add Computer Group. Specify the name of your new computer group, which will be a workstation in our case. Click on Add. And now we have a computer group named Workstation. This time we are going to use client-side targeting, and that's why we don't need to manually add computer account to this group. After creating computer group, we need to modify one more settings, and for that we need to click on Options. And here we need to click on this hyperlink called Computers. And on this console, we need to select the radio button, Use Group Policy or Registry Settings on Computers. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now we are moving to our domain controller where we are going to configure group policy settings. Let's close this console. On Windows Admin Tools, let's open Group Policy Management. On Group Policy Management console, I'm going to click on Workstation OU, which we have created earlier. Let's right click on it and select Create a GPU in this domain and link it here. I'm giving name Client-Side Targeting Lab Guide. Click on OK. Let's select the newly created GPU. Right click on it and select Edit. Maximize the console. Under Computer Configuration, expand Policies, expand Administrative Templates, expand Windows Components, and locate Windows Updates. Click on Windows Updates. Click on Settings to arrange all the settings in alphabetical order. Here we need to find settings name Enable Client-Side Targeting. Let's double click on that group policy settings and select the radio button Enabled. Let's specify the target group name for this computer. In our case, that will be a workstation. Once you provide the group name, click on Apply and click on OK. This is the name of our computer group which we have created on WSUS server. Already that GPU is linked with that OU name workstation. Let's close this Group Policy Management console. By default, Group Policy refresh its settings in a background at every 90 minutes with the random offset of 0 to 30 minutes. If you want to refresh group policy sooner, then you can manually run a command gp update/force on a client computer. So let's go to our Windows 10 client computer. Let's press Windows R key, type CMD and press Enter key. At a command prompt, we need to type command gp update/force. For this lab guide, I'm going to restart this Windows 10 client computer so we can see the result instantly. Let's close the command prompt and let's select Restart and click on OK. After restart, let's again log into our Windows 10 client PC. Okay, after logging to this Windows 10 client computer, we are hoping that policy is successfully applying on this client PC. Let's move to our WSUS server to check the result. Let's click on all computers. Click on refresh button and here we can verify both computer accounts are there. Let's click on workstation computer group. Let's click on refresh button and still the computer account is not displaying under this computer group. See, if your computer account is not displaying under this computer group, you can wait for a few minutes or you can manually update the group policy on your client computers. Let's go to our Windows 10 client PC. Let's again update the group policy by running command gp update/force. Let's press Windows R key, type CMD and press enter key. At command prompt, let's run command gp update/force. Let's move to our WSUS server. Click on all computers. Click on refresh. And let's click on workstation computer group and click on refresh. And this time you can see a computer account of a Windows 10 client PC is displayed under workstation. The reason is pretty simple one, because we have configured client-side targeting for WSUS using group policy. In this lab guide, we have seen the steps to configure client-side targeting in WSUS 2019.